Zelle is a popular person-to-person payment platform that's integrated with over 1,600 U.S. banks and credit unions as of December 2025. This introduction will guide you through accepting Zelle payments, requesting money from others, understanding pending statuses, and setting up your bank account for seamless transactions. Zelle facilitates billions in transactions annually, providing a fast and convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. To begin enrolling in Zelle, download your bank's mobile app from the App Store and sign in with your account credentials. Once signed in, look for the Zelle option in your bank's app. It's typically located under sections like Transfers or Payments. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your bank account to Zelle. You'll need to provide an email address or U.S. mobile phone number for identification within the network. Some banks may require additional verification steps, such as confirming your identity or providing more account details. Be prepared to follow these prompts to complete enrollment. Requesting payments through Zelle is straightforward when you need money from someone. Start by accessing your bank's app or the Zelle app and locating the request option. Next, enter the recipient's Zelle-registered email address or U.S. mobile phone number. Then, specify the amount you want to request and include an optional note to describe the payment. Once sent, the recipient gets a notification and can choose to approve the payment. Remember, these requests are non-binding and will expire if not fulfilled within 14 days. A Zelle payment or request may show as pending during processing. This can occur due to several reasons, including bank verification delays, especially for amounts over $500, weekends or holidays, or security holds. Pending statuses can last from 1 to 5 business days. You can track the status in real time through your bank's app or the Zelle app. If a payment remains pending for an extended period, contact your bank or Zelle support for assistance. Setting up Zelle within your bank's app is generally straightforward. After enrolling, you may need to verify your account details, such as routing and account numbers. For business accounts, some banks require additional KYC, Know Your Customer, checks to ensure compliance. Once your account is set up and verified, you can send and receive money directly through your bank's app without needing a separate Zelle app for most banks. Zelle has enhanced security with features like biometric authentication and AI-driven fraud detection introduced in 2025. Mandatory biometric authentication uses fingerprints, Face ID, or voice recognition to verify users before transactions. AI-driven fraud detection analyzes patterns to identify suspicious activity in real time. Real-time monitoring and instant alerts notify users of potential security issues immediately. These measures reduced unauthorized transfers by 40%. Always verify recipient information before sending money to avoid scams. Zelle is increasingly being adopted by small businesses for invoicing due to zero transaction fees compared to credit cards. As of 2025, about 25% of U.S. small businesses are using Zelle. Furthermore, Zelle has embraced contactless payments with the introduction of QR code payments, enabling in-store scans and competing with other payment platforms. These trends highlight Zelle's growing versatility and market reach.